I'm going to show you how easy it is creating these vlog style videos.
POV, your brothers fake your death and sell you for silver over a coat. But now I'm running Egypt and they're begging for food.
Ayo, God told me to build this massive boat. Everyone laughed. Now look at him, hands soaked. Meanwhile, I'm chilling in a floating zoo.
Okay, so I might have eaten the fruit, the one God said not to touch. But the snake made it sound deep.
Now you can even make it more interesting by making it longer in form of a series like this.
Walked up to Pharaoh like,
Let my people go.
dude laughed in my face and made the slaves work harder. Bold of him, really.
It's happening. Pharaoh finally let us go. After 400 years, freedom hits different.
I'm telling you, this is very easy to do. All you need is one prompt and you have your video. I'm going to show you step by step how I created these vlog style videos and how you can create them yourselves. I'll also be showing you how to access Google VEO 3 for free so you can start creating videos today. My name is Charles. Let's do this. The first thing is to go to Google and search for VEO 3. And then click here, click on the first link that appears. And then you're going to click on Try in Flow. Then click on Create with Flow. So now, before we start creating, we'll have to subscribe. But don't worry. Remember, I said I'm going to show you how to access it for free. So we are going to click on Subscribe. So you can see here that you're going to get it for 1 month without paying anything. So just click on this button here. And then once you click on the button, add your card details and you're good to go. They won't charge you for 1 month. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get access to use it for free for 15 months. I'm going to show you that later in this video. But for now, let's just get started with creating this video. So we are going to be creating vlogging style Bible videos that sounds more like a Gen Z doing the vlog. It's very interesting. It's very funny. So what we're going to do is go to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will do the thinking for us. All right. We are not trying to think here. So we're going to enter this first prompt that says list 20 Bible story scenes. And you can see ChatGPT has given me 20 different contents to create. Okay. All right. 20 different scenes. So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to start with Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. All right. But before that, I'm going to say turn each scene to a short vlog style video script with the main character explaining what is happening like a Gen Z. So I'm trying to tell you that, look, create a vlog style video script and it should sound like a Gen Z, all right? Don't worry about writing down the prompts. I'm going to share all the prompts that I'll be using in this video in my Telegram channel so you can just use it. The link to join my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. So we are going to move ahead and click on generate and boom, you can see here, it has generated this, all right? So I'm going to share why we did this, why we did all this. I'm going to share it shortly, okay? And you will see why. So you can see it has created about 20 for us. So for each of the scene or the idea, it has given us something like a speech. Not gonna lie, I thought we were toast, but I held up my staff and the sea split like a TikTok transition. Whole squad walkthrough on dry land. This is funny. This is really funny. So I'm going to pick one out of these ideas. In fact, they can create videos for all of them here. I'm giving you a cheat sheet. So the next thing we are going to do is to generate a video prompt for each of them. But we are just going to use one as an example. So I'm going to say for number 2, write a prompt to generate a selfie style video. Use the same structure as the example below, but don't change the initial script. So I'm just basically telling ChatGPT to give me prompts that I will use in VEO 3 for creating this vlog style video. And then I'm saying, don't change this script that it has already generated initially. It should just use this same statement in the prompt. This is what the person or the main character would be saying in the video. All this is what the main character will be saying. I like it, so I told you to keep it and you shouldn't change it. All right. And then I showed it an example. I gave it an example so that it can create prompts in this way. If you don't give it this example, it's just going to create a very detailed prompt. But I just want something short and simple. And boom, you can see it has given the prompt for our first video. Just like that. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos, cool, helpful videos on this channel. So subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, so we have our video prompt ready. So what we are going to do is to just copy this prompt. You can see the prompt: Eve from the Garden of Eden, vlog, POV camera, handheld, walking through a lush garden, wearing leaves as clothing, holding half-eaten fruits. She says, blah, blah, blah. This is what she's going to say. All right. So if you notice from this prompt here, we have the character description. All right. And then how the video should be structured, where she is, what she's wearing. This is very important because if you don't state what the main character is wearing, you might not get character consistency if you want to create a series of videos. So now we have this. We're just going to copy this. All right, we copy this and then we are going to go back to Veo 3. And then here we can just enter a prompt and generate. So we are going to enter the prompt, and remember, we are on text to video. You can use frames to video. Frames to video, you just upload image and then to turn the image to a video. And then ingredients to video, I'm going to cover it in another video because it's another whole topic. All right, so we are going to focus on text to video because right now it gives the best results. So we're going to click on generate, and boom, we have our video ready. You can download the video. If you click on download, you can download the original size or you can download the upscaled version. So let's play it. Okay, there's a problem in this video. It doesn't have sound, and here's the reason. I used Veo 2. So Veo 2 doesn't produce sound, okay? So you want to change it to Veo 3 quality, all right? Veo 3 quality. But if you want fast version of Veo 3, you can choose this. But for best results, quality results, you use Veo 3 quality. And then make sure that your output prompt is 1, because if it's 2, your credits will just finish faster, okay? So make sure that it's 1. Okay, and then once you have that, you can just enter the prompt and generate, and boom, we have this video. Let me play it.
Okay, so I might have eaten the fruit, the one God said not to touch, but like, the snake made it sound deep.
Oh my god, this is funny. This is funny and interesting. All right, it's funny and interesting, and we're just getting started. Okay, so we can generate another one. So we'll go back to ChatGPT. And then we put the same prompt for number 3. Write a prompt to generate the selfie. Just same thing. The only thing we are changing is number 3. Remember, it gave us list of ideas. So we can just do this for all of them. For number 4, for number 5, and it will just give you prompts. It makes life easier. So you just copy the prompt and then go back to Veo and paste it there and then generate. So once we generate, you're going to have this. Let's watch this.
Ayo. God told me to build this massive boat. Everyone laughed. Now look at them hands, soaked. Meanwhile, I'm chilling in a floating zoo.
This is very funny. I mean, people doing this are getting massive views, millions of views, thousands of views, 500,000 views, 100,000 views. Like, it's crazy. Now, for this next part, we're going to even make it more interesting and create a series, right? It's not just going to be a short video. It's going to be like 1+ minute video, okay? So now we are going to do this and we are going to focus on one character. We are going to focus on Moses, and we are going to create a vlog style video for Moses. It's going to be interesting. So we are going to go to the list of ideas and choose one. Let's say we are going to choose this one, Moses and the burning bush, and then build up the story from there and make it longer. So this is number 7. We're going to take note of this number and enter this prompt. We are going to enter this prompt still in the chat. We are going to say for number 7, create 10 more scenes for continuity of the story. Turn each scene to a short vlog style video script with the main character explaining what is happening like a Gen Z, okay? So we're just telling ChatGPT that I should continue creating more scenes for just number 7, so it will feel like a story, right? Like a story, and it should still maintain the vlog style concept, okay? And boom, we have the result. So we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8. So this alone would get up to like 2-3 minutes, okay? But we're just going to use like 2 or 3 or 4 just for the purpose of this tutorial. So what we're going to do next, we are going to tell ChatGPT again, for each of them, write a prompt to generate a selfie style video. Use the same structure as the example below, but don't change the initial script. Remember, for each of them, ChatGPT gave the script of what Moses will be saying on each scene, for each scene. So we are going to say for each of them, write a prompt to generate video. So what the prompt is saying, for each video, you should just write the prompt to generate the selfie style video. So we are not doing it one after the other. It's just going to list out all the prompts for all the scenes. So what we can do is just copy and paste, and you can see we have prompts for all the scenes, and we are done. Life is easy. So we are going to start with the burning bush. Yeah, we're going to start with the burning bush. So we'll go back to the burning bush and copy the prompt for it. Copy the prompt for the burning bush. Copy it and then go back to view and paste it here. Okay, so now we have the prompt. We just click on generate and boom, we have our video. Don't worry, I'm going to play this video. It's very funny. I'm going to play this video later, but for now, let's generate other videos. Okay, I'm going to play this later. Now, one thing you should note is there are some words that you can't use on Google VEO. If you use those words, Google might not generate. It might just show, oh, failed generation. So just use words that would conform with Google's policy. Don't use some harsh words. All right. Now we are going to enter the next prompt. So we just pick one from ChatGPT, and this one is Moses talking to Aaron about Pharaoh. And let's hit generate, and boom, we have the video. We have the video here. We've generated the video. I'll play this video. I'll play this video. Keep making me laugh. And we're going to generate another one here. So all of them is still centered around Moses. All right, it's the vlog in his life, day in his life, day in the life of Moses. So we enter the prompt. Here is when Moses left the palace, and after he went to talk to Pharaoh, but Pharaoh refused. So I'm going to generate the video, and boom, we have our video. This is Moses coming out of the palace. I'm going to play the video. It's very funny. And let's do this last one to wrap it up. And then this final video, we're going to generate a video of Moses living with the people, going to the promised land. And this is prompt for it. I'm going to click on generate. And boom, we have it here. This is Moses happy with the people after fleeing from Egypt and all that. So this is very interesting. Okay. Now, once you have all these videos, you're just going to go to CapCut and upload all of them there. So I've uploaded all the videos. And the crazy thing is, you are not going to do anything because all these videos already have audios. You're not going to lip sync. You're not going to do nothing. We just arrange them according to how we want the vlogging style to look like. So we're going to start with the burning bush, which I know from the Bible story, I think it happened first. We're going to move it, and then we're going to the next should be Moses talking to Aaron, which is here. And then the next, this is Moses leaving Pharaoh's palace, and then people, Moses and the people leaving, fleeing Egypt. And once we have that, we are good. But you can even make this interesting. So here where the fire is burning, we can even make this more interesting by clicking on audio and search for fire burning sound. This is lovely. We are going to drag this down here. So here, where the fire is burning, we're going to use it here. Now remember, you can also tell VEO3 to add sound effects. I think I forgot that, but you can tell VEO3 to add sound effect, but I'm still going to add it. I can add it. It doesn't take anything. But on your prompt, you can add sound effect. I created a video, an in-depth video on how to use Google VEO3. So if you have not watched it, you can check my channel and watch the video. And then that's after watching this video, okay? You can just watch that one next. So we've added the cracking sound. And what is the other thing we can add? We can add the wind, right? Because he's in the mountain or desert. So we can add wind sound. And we look for a wind sound. Let's see here. Okay, we add this, but we'll have to reduce it. Make sure it's very low so it doesn't overshadow the voice. Okay, it's good. All right, so now we have this. We are just going to reduce this for just this particular one, and here we can add a wind sound. We can add a different type of wind sound here, so it doesn't sound like it's the same. Just add this here. Let me play. Okay, you can add this low wind here, since they're in the desert, and since they're in the desert, so we just reduce the volume. Always remember to reduce your sound effect volume so it doesn't sound higher than the vocals itself. And then this next part, we don't need to add anything here. And then here we can add this wind sound here. We just copy and paste and bring it here. And then we can add something else. Remember, people are walking here, so we are going to add footsteps. We can search for footsteps running. Okay, let's play this. Okay, we can drag it down here. Now this is crowd. No, we need one of people running, not one person. So we say people running sound effects. Okay, this one sounds better, so we'll bring it down here and we reduce the volume. Remember, it's for this last clip, we have to reduce the volume of sound effects so it doesn't sound too loud. It's just something in the background. Okay, now we have everything. We are good to go. All we have to do is export. That's all. We don't need to do anything. Nothing else. Nothing else. And you didn't even have to add the sound effects and all that. So let's click on export and boom, we have this.
So I'm just out here with my sheep and BAM, bush on fire but not burning, and then God starts talking. Like literally, crazy.
Met up with my bro Aaron today. God's like, he'll speak for you. So basically, I talk to God, Aaron talks to Pharaoh.
Yeah.
You know, that kind of thing.
Walked up to Pharaoh like,
Let my people go.
dude laughed in my face and made the slaves work harder. Bold of him, really.
It's happening. Pharaoh finally let us go. After 400 years, freedom hits different.
It is very funny. I love this video. It's very funny. You can use this to get millions of views and grow your account. Now, before I forget, here's how to get Google VEO 3 for free for 15 months. All right. So you're going to go to this link right here. Now, for some reasons, I can't put this link directly under this video for some reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my Telegram channel. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, join the channel and then you're going to see this link. I'm going to put the link there. The link to join my channel is in the description of this video. So once you click this link and get here, what you can do is click on get offer. Click on get offer. As you can see, you get it free for 15 months. So up till June next year, you're going to have access to this tool for free. But this only works for students in certain countries, not all countries, okay? Just students in certain countries. But you can just check if it works for you if you have a student email. So what you're going to do is to click on verify student status. And then you're going to put your school email here, okay? Just put your school email. And then once they verify your eligibility, you get a free Google VEO account. That's very sweet for a whole year, more than a year. Well, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of cool videos on this channel, value-packed videos. So subscribe, join the family, like this video, share it to your friends, share it to people you love, and I'll see you in this video here. Now, this video is very deep because I explained how to use Google VEO 3 like a pro, and it's very easy. So check this video out. I'll see you here.